In this video, I'll give you the overview of a role of advertising, objectives, aims, targets, functions of advertising. No product or service or company can move or promote without the proper advertising. Major advertising roles are: 1. Marketing role, 2. Communication role, 3. Economical role, 4. Societal role. I'll explain these one by one. 1. Marketing role. Advertising plays big role in marketing the product or service. Advertising can be called as the one of the types of marketing activities. Sales. Every business or company must need employ some kind of advertising specialist. No advertising means no sales, and no sales means company will become dead. Remember, marketing is a business process to satisfy the customers' need and wants through the services and products. And in order to do so, the advertising message lets out to promote or move the product or service. 2. Communication role. Communication plays a vital role in advertising process. No product or service or company can move or promote without the proper dissemination of information. It transmits the important or needed information to the target market or audience. It also gets feedback from the consumers, which will help the firm or company for the modification of a service or product or advertisement. 3. Economical role. Advertising plays a strong role in the price elasticity of product or services. Roughly 75% of the cost of newspaper is supported by the advertising. Advertising fuels the economy. Advertising supports the exports. Advertising provides financial supports to the thousands of media workers. Consumer ultimately benefit from the advertising having more best option and at best prices. Advertising stimulates in introduction of the new products and encouragement of innovation. 4. Societal role. Shows the right know what is the trend in the society, as well as what could be the best move in the society in near future. It shapes the attitude of society as well as individual, creates thousands of jobs in the different departments of the country. Thanks for watching. Please take care yourself, and please share, like, comment, press the bell button, as well as subscribe my channel.